Hello teachers and viewers, dear students and all my well-wishers. Again I welcome you on my YouTube channel. Friends, after many videos on MCQs with OFS, today again I came with the live or with the face of mine before you. Dear viewers, I humbly request you, please subscribe my channel and circulate all these videos among your friends. Dear friends, in this video, this is a very crucial video for everybody who is among the English fraternity, who want to learn the modern English grammar. Friends, the notion of modern English grammar has been changed, and all the old aspects about the grammar are now outdated, and new very interesting ideas came before us about the grammar. Friends, in this video we are going to discuss about the MCQs on the word classes. Now this video is very useful for NET and SET, for all those students who are preparing for competitive examination, as well as this video is also helpful for all grammar loving teachers and students. So dear friends, again I humbly request you, subscribe the channel and circulate all these videos among your friends, students, and be ready for very important MCQs on word classes, which is very crucial portion or part of the modern English grammar. So be ready and let's start the MCQs on the word classes. Be ready. Dear friends, these are the important MCQs on the word classes, which is the part of the modern English structure. This is the first MCQ. In modern grammar, dash 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 are the groups of the words in English. Options are A, major word class, B, minor word class, C, the parts of speech, D, both A and B. Friends, note down your answer, and the correct answer of this question is both D, both A and B. Friends, this is next MCQ. The major word class is also called the dash 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 in modern English grammar. Options are A, the open word class, B, the closed word class, C, the third word class, D, both A and B. Friends, note down your answer, and the correct answer of this question is A, open word class. Next MCQ, the minor word class is also called the dash 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 in the modern English grammar. Options are A, open word class, B, closed word class, C, third word class, D, both A and B. And the correct answer of this question is B, the closed word class. Next MCQ, the word class which has the open ending is called the dash 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 in English. Options are A, the open word class, B, the closed word class, C, both A and B, D, none of the above. Friends, and the correct answer of this question is A, the open word class, which has open ending. Next MCQ, the word class which has the closed ending is called the dash 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 in English grammar. Options are A, the open word class, B, the closed word class, C, both A and B, D, none of the above. And the closed ending class is, and the option is B, the closed word class. Next MCQ, nouns, verbs, adjectives and adverbs are known as the in English grammar. Options are the parts of speeches, B, the closed word classes, C, the open word classes, D, all of the above. Now this question is about the modern English grammar, and the correct answer of this question is C, the open word classes. Next MCQ, the closed word classes are Options are A. Pronouns and articles, B. Auxiliary verbs and prepositions, C. Conjunctions and interjection, D. All of the above. Friends, the correct answer of this question is D. All of the above. All are closed word classes. Next MCQ. What is the type of the noun gold? Identify the noun gold. Whether it is material noun A, B. It is proper noun, C. Common noun, D. Abstract noun. Identify, and this is the correct answer, A. Material noun. Next MCQ. What is the type of the noun police? Friends, very important question. Identify A. The material noun, B. The collective noun, C. The common noun, D. The abstract noun. And this is the answer, B. The collective nouns. Friends, for identifying all word classes, please go through detail from the book Horizon as well as some other books of grammar also. This is the next MCQ. Dash 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 are the words used in the place of the nouns. Options are A. Adjectives, B. Pronouns, C. Adverbs, D. Interjections. And the correct answer of this question is B. Pronouns. Next MCQ. The personal pronouns refers to A. Dash 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 dash. Options are A. The specific person, B. The place, C. The object or thing, D. All of the above. And the correct answer of this question is all of the above. Next MCQ. In English grammar, this, that, these and those are dash 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 pronouns. Identify, very important question. Demonstrative pronouns, B. Possessive pronouns, C. Personal pronouns, D. Relative pronouns. And the correct answer of this question is A. Demonstrative pronouns. Next MCQ. The word which qualifies the subject or noun is called, subject or noun qualifying word is called A. Adverb, B. Adjective, C. Pronoun, D. Demonstrative. Identify, and this is the correct answer, B. Adjective. Friends, this is next MCQ. The cardinal numerals and ordinal numerals are also known as. Options are A. Adjectives of numbers, B. Numeral adjectives, C. Both A and B, D. Adjectives of quantity. Friends, identify, very interesting, and this is the answer of both A and B. Next MCQ. In English grammar, the action words are called, what the action words are called? A. Adverbs, B. Adjectives, C. Adjuncts, D. Verbs. Very interesting question, and the answer is D. Verbs. Next MCQ. What is called the heart of the language as far as grammar is concerned? A. Verb, B. Noun, C. Adjective, D. Adverb. Identify which is very crucial word form, and that is A. Verb. This is the next MCQ. The verbs which take past tense marker ed are known as the. The verbs which take past tense marker ed are known as the dash dash dash. Options are A. Irregular verbs, B. Regular verbs, C. Auxiliary verbs, D. All of the above. And the correct answer of this question is B. Regular verbs. Regular verbs takes past tense marker ed. Next, the verb which expresses tense is known as. Very interesting and very important question. Dash dash dash. A. Non-finite verb, B. Transitive verb, C. Finite verb, D. None of the above. Friends, very important, and the answer is C. Finite verb. finite verbs identifies tense. Next MCQ. The verb which takes an object is known as the dash 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 dash. Options are A. Transitive verb, B. Intransitive verb, C. Positive verb, D. All of the above. Friends, very interesting and very important question, and the answer of this question is A. Transitive verbs which takes an object. Next MCQ. The verb that does not require an object is known as the dash 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 verb. Again, identify A. Transitive, B. Intransitive, C. Positive, D. All of the above. And the correct answer of this question is B. Intransitive verbs, does not take an object. Next MCQ. The verb which used in the formula B plus ing form are known as B plus ing form using verbs. Friends, read all the notes very carefully from the book Horizon. A. The stative verb, B. The transitive verb, C. The dynamic verb, D. The intransitive verb. And the correct answer of this question is C. The dynamic verbs. Next MCQ. The verbs which do not show any action but only link the subjects with the rest of the sentence is known as what type of verb? Dash dash dash. A. The linking verb, B. The phrasal verb, C. The connecting verb, D. The transitive verb. And the correct answer of this question is A. The linking verb. Next MCQ. The auxiliary verbs are also called dash 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 dash. Options are A. Anomalous verbs, B. Special verbs, C. Helping verbs, D. All of the above. Friends, very important question, and the correct answer of this question is all of the above. Auxiliary verbs are called anomalous verbs, special verbs, and helping verbs. Is the next question. The auxiliary verbs are divided into. Options are A. Primary auxiliary verbs, B. Modal auxiliary verbs, C. Both A and B, D. None of the above. And the correct answer of this question is both A and B. Next MCQ. The modal auxiliary are categorized in modals and dash dash dash. Options are A. Semi-modals, B. marginal modals, C. secondary modals, D. both A and B. Modal auxiliary is also categorized in. Identify, and the correct answer of this question is D. both A and B. That is semi-modals and marginal modals. So both have A and B. This is the next MCQ. Friends, there can be hundreds of MCQs on this part. So these are selective. Do study hard and draw more 10 to 20 MCQs from this portion. Next MCQ. An adverb is the word which modifies dash 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 in English grammar. Options are A. The noun, B. The verb, C. The adjuncts, D. All of the above. Adverb, identify what? And the correct answer of this question is the verb. Next MCQ. Where the positions are used in the sentence of English grammar. Where the prepositions are used in the sentence of English grammar. Options are A. Before the noun phrase, B. Before the noun clause, C. Both A and B, D. With the verb. Prepositions are used where? And the correct answer is C. Both A and B, before the noun clause and noun phrase. In the next MCQ, the word which indicate direction, position, duration, extra, etc. are called dash 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 dash. Options are A. Prepositions, B. Verb, C. Noun, D. Adjective. Identify, and this is the correct answer. A. Preposition. Next MCQ. The dash 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 is a word used to join words, phrases, clauses or sentences. Identify the answer. A. Interjection. B. Conjunction. C. Adjunct. D. None of the above. Joining words, phrases and clauses or sentences are known as B. Conjunctions. Next MCQ. How many types of the conjunction in English grammar? Types of conjunctions. A. 4. B. 5. C. 3. D. 6. Friends, identify. And this is the correct answer. There are 3 types of conjunctions. Friends, this is the last MCQ. Again, I humbly request you that spread all these videos as well as subscribe my channel and draw more MCQs. Which grammatical word is used to express sudden feelings and emotions? Feelings and emotions. Identify the option. A. Conjunction. B. Adjective. C. Verb. D. Interjection. And the correct answer of this question is D. Interjections. Friends, I conclude this video with this beautiful quote. Silence is the best answer for all questions and smiling is the best reaction to all situations. Thank you very much. Thank you, friends.